First of all, thank you so much, Hindustan Times, full HD Cafe, the full office. You guys are wonderful. We were here when we came to Delhi before this also, when we came for Fever FM, and we are back over here. So this feels like home ground to us, I have to say. So that's why when we entered, and Alia was a little hungry, but she said, I cannot make them wait. Sonal has set up all this for us so
That's
sweetly.
so sweet of you. Please, let's hear it.
नहीं
for
क्योंकि
Alia.
वैसे भी हम लेट है because of the flight and all of that and I hate being late तो I can't stand कि आप लोग यहाँ पे very sweetly बैठे हो सब रंग बिरंगी कपड़ों में because it's a holy release you have dressed purposely like that ना that's why tell me ना या मैं अपने खुद का एक फंडा डाल रही हूँ
Also, it's a very special day for us because our director Shashank Khaitan has joined us, who's very बहुत ज्यादा कैमरा शाय है. इनको हम लोग ने बॉम्बे में कुछ 20 इंटरव्यू कराए थे. उसके बाद बोला हाउ डू आई प्रमोट अ फिल्म, हाउ डू आई डू इट.
He's not camera shy. Shashank is the most confident person. You know, Shashank sings and dances and acts and writes and directs.
Yeah, in fact, I was just going to say that my team told me that you've acted in Ishq Zade, so how could this camera shy thing doesn't work for
I'm
you?
not at all camera shy, it's just that I get not at all media shy. वरुण की personality इतनी strong है कि मैं उसके नीचे दब जाता हूँ. तो that's it.
Spoken like a true writer, director. All right, Shashank, I want to start by asking you. So, you know, with a title like Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, with the big hit that came with that film, wasn't it a little too obvious or predictable to name this film Badrinath Ki Dulhania, or did people tell you that you need to be a little different because this would then obviously be seen as a sequel?
So when we started off with, when I wrote the film, it was never supposed to be part of the franchise. It was an independent story which I wrote, keeping the characters Badri and Vaidehi in it. When Karan heard the narration of the film, he felt that, you know what, it, along with being completely different from Humpty, but it still has the same heart, same warmth, same love, and also the fact that it's based on love and marriages. So he said, let's give it a shot. Let's live with this title. So we came up with Badrinath Ki Dulhania pretty much after the narration. And he said, you know what, let's live with it for a week. And let's see how we feel about it. And
Then it
after
grew
a
on
week,
you.
it kind of almost
Yeah.
became like, you know, I think all our reactions were, really, are you sure this? And after a week, we were already calling the film Badrinath Ki Dulhania. You know, so then suddenly it just became the title. And honestly, I'm not someone who really thinks about what people are going to say about the title or the film or that. I really believe if I am happy doing what I'm doing, somewhere it should resonate with the people out
That's so true. And I think this title already brings a. Yes, that called for it. It already brings a lot of fun with it. Somehow, you know, there's that intriguing element. Varun, what was it about? Who gave you the narration? Did Shashank? And what is it that the first thing that came to your mind when you've heard this?
So it actually went down in this way that he narrated this film to. No, the actual story begins with like 1.5 years back when Shashank was working on a script for almost 6 to 8 months, almost a year, and he went and narrated it to Karan, and Karan said no to the film. Karan said, no, I don't know why you want to make this film and I don't like it and all. And I was very disappointed after that because Shashank was someone I really wanted to work with. We didn't know at that point if me and Alia were teaming up or anything like that. I was in touch with Shashank quite a bit, so I knew he was writing this film, and just as a friend I wanted Karan to greenlight it. शशांक बोलता है अरे यार ऐसे क्यों उदास हो रहा है यार, मैं लिख लूंगा एक और फिल्म, मेरी करियर खत्म नहीं हुए, तुम लोग ऐसे बिहेव कर रहे हो. एंड आई वाज वेरी सैड. एंड देन सडनली आफ्टर 3 days में शशांक इज लाइक आई गॉट समथिंग. And I thought it's just like a reflex. I like Shashank, you can't just 8 months you worked on something and then suddenly in 3 days how can you come? He's like, no, I've had this idea for a while. And then I spoke to Karan. Karan said, yeah, let's hear it. And then Karan called me up the next day and he's like, listen, Shashank has something. He just needs 15 minutes with you. He's just got 10 to 15 pages. Just hear it.
22, no?
20 pages. And Shashank came home and I was like, अरे यार इतना क्या हो गया जो 8 महीने में नहीं हो, ये 3 दिन में क्या हो गया? And he came and he narrated me pretty much this first scene of where I do that audition ka scene. I said, Namaskar, hum hai Badrinath Bansal urf Badri. And the whole thing.
Smile.
And I couldn't even wait for him to go ahead because I reacted to the name Badri. Because my pet name in real life, one of my best friends, Kavish, calls me Badri.
Wow.
And it was so strange and I just stopped him there. I went out on a balcony, I called up Kavish. And Shashank is thinking this guy's gone mad. And I'm like, Kavish, एक पिक्चर आई है और पेट नेम बद्री है. and Kavish from there, अरे कर ले भगवान ने भेजी है तेरे लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. And it was, and these things happen, you know, every time. There can't be a mathematical or a scientific approach to films. It has to be on instinct. You have to love something. You have to love the people you work with. And obviously the story was beautiful. It has such a strong, the actual reason why I did the film is because the film has a message which in 2017 I want to give out there to a lot of boys. And something on the lines of the way, sometimes the way we think, we don't think is wrong, and it could be wrong. And it's not preachy.
Yeah.
It's not preachy. It's not that, you know, absolute like there's melodrama and this and that. It's a very light-hearted way, but the message is something which hopefully people will take home and understand.
But you're not trying to give gyan. People
Not
will
at all.
get the
I think
message
I'm the
anyway.
last person to give gyan, and I think no one will take gyan if I give also. I can only give entertainment. So अगर कोई सीख भी है फिल्म में, it's definitely given in the most entertaining way, and there is a growth in the character. There is a graph to the character which I feel all boys actually while growing up go through. Which Alia very often says to me that when like boys they like a girl, they always fight with her first. The guy fights with the girl, he fights with the girl the most who he likes usually. And which is true when you're in school, that does happen. You know, I hate girls, I don't want to talk to girls and this and that. So it's a lot about growing up of this boy Badri, and about how education plays a part in his life, how getting a very strong woman influence changes him almost. So all these things are there in the film.
Perfect. Alia, you all have shot in Kota. Anyway, the state that is so colorful that we can't, bring more color to it just by being there. How was your experience? And I must tell you that you look outstandingly stunning in the film. So was there anything special that you had to contribute, or was it all the stylist and?
I had to eat food. As told to me by Shashank and Varun, they were asking me to eat jalebi and all. He's like, "Humko cheeks chahiye." So I've eaten a lot during the making of this film. So basically, Kota was Jaipur is how we began our first outdoor. And in outdoor, it is always the most exciting time because everybody gets together and people are hanging out. You become like a full family. Our next stop was Kota, and Varun and I were blown because हम ना जब city से आते तो कहते कि छोटे शहर में you have a typical thinking of छोटा शहर means there won't be much infrastructure, this that, but we were totally wrong. And I think we went there and we were like, oh my god, we've never seen anything like this. It's the education hub. So there are lots of youngsters over there and really, really cool, and like girls riding scooters and literally like competing with the guys. They used to follow our car and everything, and girls are usually in the first line. And we shot in this park called the Seven Wonders Park. And first I thought Shashank was lying when he said there's a Seven Wonders Park there, bro. There's like Leaning Tower of Pisa, Eiffel Tower and all. I'm like, what rubbish. We didn't believe it. We went there and we actually shot there. We didn't want to leave that park.
It's so amazing, Sonal. I'm glad we are saying this to Hindustan Times because of Hindustan. And, nowadays they've started this thing online where people do these trailer reviews and all. So I saw this one where this guy sitting with this Chicago jersey and with an accent. Obviously, he's not someone who lived in India. And he's like, these Bollywood films are always like so outlandish, and how they've constructed the Taj Mahals here. And I'm like, dude, you've definitely not been to Kota. That's why you don't know. And if you went there, this is not a set. It's actually in our country. It's so amazingly built. And there's the Jal Mandir in Rajasthan. You have so many Jal Mandirs, and those jet skis is not like a Bollywood touch to it that we got a jet ski there. Jet skis are there for tourists. And you can actually fall into the water like I did fall, and there are crocodiles over there and it's dangerous, so don't do that. But that did happen.
Varun has a habit of giving you the final word. Like Varun will just say, "Bas Shashank ye ho gaya." So when we went to one location in Kota, it was the lake, we were shooting there in the night, and he's seen that, "Ab tu Singapore nahi ja sakta hai." I said, "Why is that?" बस इससे better location देखो कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. This is the location. This is the high point. And then he says these words to me. This is the high point of your career. I said, this location is the high point of my career. He's like, this is the high point of your career.
Because nobody has explored and discovered, and no one has shown Kota or Jhansi on screen in this way. Dharma तो मतलब कभी गया ही नहीं होगा उधर. कोई भी film में, which film of Dharma has gone over there? So
We very proudly say that we are the first film that have shot in Kota and Jhansi. from
Did
Dharma.
Karan visit the sets when you were doing outdoors in Kota?
He's not visited our set.
Karan,
No, he came. What?
For the last 2 days for the song.
yeah, he didn't come to Kota and Jhansi.
He came to Yashraj studio.
But Hero Auntie came to Singapore. She came. She always comes. But it was just great for us to be there, and it just felt really.
It added that
Proud.
flavor. You know that
Yeah.
flavor, that twang that we needed to play these characters. It added that.
super. So कोटा में जितने भी लोग इकट्ठे हुए when you all were doing the outdoor shoot, तो वरुण की girl fans ज़्यादा loud थी या आलिया के boy fans? किसने ज़्यादा chase किया unit को?
नहीं, I think they were all equally excited. Girl, boy, नहीं.
You know, there were boys also cheering for me. It's not.
And there were girls also cheering for me.
Alia.
Girls who give me cards and all.
And in that yeah, I'm sure they were. I'm not saying no, but there were lots of fans for both of us in that sense. But it was absolutely amazing because it's a student town. There were like around 35,000 people over there. And first day we were kind of excited because these crowds have never come out for us. You know.
We were very confused.
Yeah.
Like, are we so famous? This is really seeming a bit strange. Because we had never seen, and they were so diligently just standing there. And we felt so bad because we couldn't go out and take pictures with everybody. But we made it a point that we used to walk through the Seven Wonders ka wall, and we used to go and climb up on the bench and say hi to everybody. And all they wanted was
They
just
would wait the
love.
entire day while we were shooting. You know, it's. I mean, the kind of love they've given is something that will always live on.
So amazing. So this whole recreation of Tamma Tamma, सरोज जी को नाराज आपने कर दिया, लेकिन
But
बहुत
अभी
सारे
नहीं,
fans.
say the whole thing. अभी तो ठीक होगी ना, ट्वीट भी किया.
तो
Full news, no.
मास्टर जी नाराज हुए.
मास्टर जी ने फिर ट्वीट करके आशीर्वाद भी दिया ना.
That is true. उन्होंने आशीर्वाद दे दिया because she's really liked it. But how
She's a
was the?
sweetheart.
Did any of you remember the original steps even before?
I'm a big fan of Tamma Tamma. Like, really big fan of Tamma. I've always loved Tamma Tamma, you know, and that's my favorite Sanjay Dutt song, actually. I love that song. And I mean, we got the opportunity to do it, and Shashank had a situation where we were in a club, and he was like, you know, if a Bollywood, like an old Hindi film song plays a good one, you know how people dance in weddings or in clubs when they go out where you like the song. He's like, I want exactly that mood. And I think the idea of Tamma Tamma came up. But, you know, having said that, Sonal, what's interesting is that there are a lot of kids, young kids over here in the audience over here. How many of y'all remembered the original Tamma Tamma? I'm guessing many of y'all weren't born also.
I want to ask that girl over there, red t-shirt specs. What's your name, baby? Mansi. Had you seen Tamma Tamma, old wala? तो हमने इनके लिए बनाया है.
Have you seen the original? You didn't see it. I mean, there's a lot of young kids who, you know, who are 15.
But you
16.
like this new song, Mansi? You like it? So cute.
We like
Actually,
you.
in a real way, it's a tribute that one is paying to those which shouldn't fade away. With, I mean, these songs don't deserve to be.
Not at all.
No,
These
and
songs should
which
not
is why
fade
also
away.
we were not recreating, we were reviving. We were not doing our own take
The
on it.
original voices are there.
Yeah.
You know, we often tend to forget that we have grown older, and that this song has actually been around for 25 years. And then we look at the newer generation, and you realize that I've never heard it. And I had this one-on-one experience when I called up Varun and said, I think we are home because, you know, I'm just interacting with two 20-year-olds. When I told them we are recreating Tamma Tamma with this enthusiasm, and they've looked at me blank and said, Tamma Tamma? Is it the Hamma Hamma which just... I'm like, no, the Tamma Tamma song, you know, Thanedar, Sanjay Dutt. And they had no idea what I'm talking about.
That's so true. You know, the first day of Judwa, we are shooting, and there were some kids who came on with some people and all, and they met my dad and all that stuff, and my dad met them and all, and even I was there. And the parents were like, "Arey, ye Judwa part 2 hai." So the kid was like, "Part 1 kab aaya tha?" And he was 8 or 9. So it's exactly the same thing that we all grow old. That's all. I don't know.
Okay, great. We'll take some audience questions now. As you know, these are the winners of the Badrinath Ki Dulhania contest that we ran. Rashi Gupta, very quickly, has a question for Alia. Yes, Rashi. Could someone give her the mic, please?
Yeah, hi Alia.
Hello.
I guess you're the best in this generation. And
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
do you aspire to work with your father, the kind of cinema he made, the realistic, intense?
My father won't direct a film again. वो he's very made it very clear. Okay, he calls himself an extinct volcano. Yeah. But I will work with the company. But when I work with them, I want it to be because we both want to do that film together, and not because I belong to that family. Because that will be a wrong reason to do the film.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Aanchal has the next question. This is for Varun.
Hello, Varun sir.
Hi, Aanchal. How are you?
Huge fan of yours.
Thank you. Thank you
I
so
was so
much.
excited to meet you.
Thank you.
My question is, how is your character in Badrinath is different from that of Humpty?
It's quite different actually. Badri was a boy, Humpty is a boy from Delhi, while Badri is this boy from Jhansi. There were a lot of things that I could relate to where Humpty was concerned. He was a college student, he had his friends, and he was quite chilled out in his beliefs, and his thinking was quite open-minded in that sense. Whereas Badri isn't. The way he's been brought up is in a completely different environment. He's not educated. He's only studied till the 10th standard. So he thinks of the world in a very different way compared to someone from a city, I would say. So it took me quite a bit of time to change my thinking, to understand Badri's thinking without judging him, for that matter, you know. The way he would speak to a girl, I mean, is not really how a day-to-day hero would speak to a girl. So I had certain worries before starting this film, but then I think once I heard the overall film, I hope the overall impact of this character is something, the change is a very big part of this film, and I think that I hope people can get that people can change, and change can be brought about in a very beautiful way. And always one thing which I've understood from this film, that whenever you ask people who are role models, especially boys, we'll always name sports stars and name some other male celebrity. And thinking back after doing this film, I always said that my role model has been The Rock. Whereas he's a very great man, I obviously do still look up to him, and he is my role model. But in real life, actually my role model is my mother. Because there are so many things that she's inculcated within me, so many beliefs, so many morals, which I follow day to day. I'm following those by instinct, or subconsciously I follow something that the strongest woman influence in my life had. So I think it's so important that we keep talking about having a strong male influence, but I feel it's more important to have a strong female influence actually today.
What lovely words. Shashank, to what extent the lead pair has the kind of friendship and bonding that Varun and Alia, one has always seen them have? Does it help? Does it hamper? Do they ever gang up?
Me, these two gang up on me.
I have this unique ability of ganging up on myself. They don't. No, it really helps a lot because it makes the conversations alive, because there's such comfort between the two of them that there's no breaking the ice. And also because of the fact that we had done Humpty together, we basically just started from where we left off. But I also have to say this, that which I just mentioned earlier, that a lot of their chemistry is because of the hard work they put in. It's not something which they take for granted. It's not that they are like, chalo yaar, ye scene rehearse karne ki zarurat nahi hai, because we have great chemistry. We spend a lot of time reading each and every scene, working on each and every nuance of it. And once they get that correct, that's when the chemistry really, I feel, rises to its complete potential. So it's great help to have two actors who know each other, who we can chat about anything. But the bigger quality is that they're extremely hardworking, and
That is so true. In fact, as someone, as an outsider, not from the fraternity, but very closely related, I can completely vouch for the fact, and this is not something that I'm saying because you all are present here, but there's an amazing appreciation that I've heard of the two of you being so intense and meticulous in your preparation of the role, and I think it shows in whatever work that you've done. So it's clearly the hard work is completely worth it, and conviction. I'm being told that we have very little time left, so okay, all right. So I guess we don't have time for questions because we.
No, we can take more questions. Yay! At least 2-3 more questions we can.
Okay, fine. Quickly, है questions तो बहुत सारे हैं, and time. अच्छा ठीक है आप okay. I'm not going through the chits, but this your Nimisha.
Yes.
Okay, Nimisha wanted to give flowers to Varun. She said, I don't want to ask a question, I just want to give flowers to Varun. So we'll.
Thank you, Nimisha. It's been a while since anyone gave me flowers.
I first saw you at
Thank you.
Ramjas College and I was like,
So sweet. Salman, who's Salman? This quickly, Salman, ask your question to Alia.
मैंने 4 लाइन लिखी हैं आपके लिए, अगर आपकी इजाज़त हो तो मैं वहाँ आके बोल सकता हूँ.
हाँ, definitely. How sweet. खड़ी रहती हूँ.
Please.
Of course.
पल पल दिल को मचलते देखा, पल पल उसे जगह बदलते देखा, पल पल प्यार को बढ़ते देखा, पल पल इस घड़ी का इंतजार करके देखा, पल पल देखा पर तुस्सा ना देखा, पल पल देखा पर बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया जैसा कोई ना देखा.
Oh, thank you. ये आपने खुद लिखा है? Oh, how sweet.
Thank you, sir. So sweet. Going so well with the outfit. All right. I think the last question of the session would be from the viewers who are watching you, not from here, but from the live webcast of this, which is happening on Desi Martini. Oh God, this girl is
There's
so...
one girl. Okay, you can
Achha,
ask
theek hai.
her.
So
In the
Varun is
orange.
allowed for...
Please ask.
Meg, just 1 minute, will. Achha, okay, so hang on. After the session, we'll do the group photograph. That's when you should try your luck. Mehak, very quickly ask the question which the Desi Martini viewers have asked because they're watching this webcast live.
Hi guys. So this question is by Janisha. She wants to know what was the most difficult part of shooting Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya?
What's the most difficult part for you?
I don't know. What was the most difficult part?
I know for me what it is. It's there's a scene actually. It's out right now also in Roke Na Ruke Naina. There's a part where I have to manhandle Alia a little bit, and that was very difficult for me to do. As I mean, I had to be only the character because if there's any part of me, I could not do that because she actually manhandles me in real life.
What?
The,
Nonsense.
the difficult part of really shooting this film began before we shot the film, which was working on the characters, just getting them right because we didn't want to make the language is such that you can make it very gimmicky. You can just say, "हाँ भैया बताओ कैसे हैं," but that just sounds fake and gimmicky. And the idea, and when Varun heard the script, that's exactly what he did the first time. अरे भैया हम ये picture कर रहे हैं. I said that's not how we have to say it, right? So I think that was the toughest part, just getting all of it correct so that it doesn't sound dishonest. And after that, everything else is just regular challenges that you face while making movies.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mehak. अब कितना भी कम टाइम हो हम इन्हें डांस किए बिना तो जाने देंगे नहीं यहाँ से. So the
Okay,
very
okay, I know हम लोग हर जगह तम्मा तम्मा करते हैं और हम लोग ने यहाँ पे भी अरे लास्ट टाइम के भी जो हमारे कलाकार है यहाँ पे आ गए हैं और तम्मा तम्मा भी नहीं करना है, वापस तम्मा तम्मा ही करना है. बदरी के दुल्हनिया करते हैं ये बात.
do we have the track ready? अब suddenly change your plans हो गया last minute.
Sorry,
नहीं,
sorry
not
guys.
at all.
You
I'm
rather
sure
do.
they have all the songs.
Whatever you guys want.
Done. So the lovely talented team of Fever is going to start and would soon have the stars join them. And we would.
Are you all prepared for Badri? Okay, fine.
पे तेरी मलू गुलाल रंग बता ब्लू या लाल एयर में तेरे उड़ते बाल आजा रंग दूं दोनों गाल अरे सारा रा रा अरे सारा रा रा अरे सारा रा रा कबीरा सारा रा रा
बेबी के देखे झुमके लगा दे चार ठुमके छोरे नचे जमके यूपी में तुम पहाड़े बिंदु और छुट्टे ताड़े हम देखे आंखें फाड़े अरे 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 तुझ पे टिकी है मेरी नाटी नजरिया तुझको बना करके तुझको बना करके तुझको बना करके
Thank you so much. Such spectacular people, and thank you all for taking out time. Shashank, Alia, Varun, and also for staying hungry for yet another half an hour. But we won't keep you. Hang on. We'll just have the last group picture for the winner.